Festool HLC82 takes cordless precision to the next level with smooth, chatter-free performance and exceptional balance. Its brushless EC-Tech motor powers through wood like butter while staying whisper-quiet and efficient. The depth adjustment is crisp, and the chip ejection works beautifully from both sides. Designed for carpenters who demand perfection, it makes trimming doors or beams effortless anywhere. The ergonomic handle feels natural, reducing strain during long sessions. Plus, with Festool's battery system, you can use it alongside your other cordless tools. This is the ultimate portable planer that combines craftsmanship with power. Moving your gear just got easier with the Festool SYS-Roll Dolly, the rolling powerhouse for every Systainer stack. Built with rugged wheels, a telescoping handle, and a sturdy base, it glides smoothly over job site terrain. The large rubber tires handle rough surfaces effortlessly, while the foot brake keeps everything stable when parked. You can stack multiple Systainers and roll your entire setup in one trip. Lightweight yet extremely durable, it saves your back and time every day. Perfect for pros who love organized mobility, this dolly makes every transport task smooth and professional. The SYS-MFT FX is a portable clamping and work-holding system cleverly packed inside a Systainer. Open it up, and you've got an instant mini workbench with secure clamping options for cutting, sanding, or routing. The precision aluminum profiles and strong clamping dogs hold materials rock solid. It's a dream for installers and field workers needing stability on the go. Compact yet mighty, it combines Festool's signature portability with workshop-grade strength. Perfect for job site finishing and quick setups anywhere. Once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. The Festool Domino Tenons are the secret behind ultra-strong, perfectly aligned joints that last a lifetime. Made from beech or Sipo hardwood, they fit precisely with Domino machines for unmatched accuracy. Their ribbed surface ensures tight adhesion with glue, locking joints with unbeatable strength. Every tenon is precision-milled for consistent results every time. Whether building furniture, doors, or frames, these small pieces deliver huge reliability. They resist twisting and shrinkage, keeping your project stable for years. It's not just joinery, it's the Festool way of achieving true craftsmanship. Small but mighty, the Festool SYSROCK BR10 delivers crystal-clear sound with surprising bass for its size. Built tough for job site abuse, it handles dust, drops, and bad weather effortlessly. It connects via Bluetooth or AUX, letting you stream your favorite playlist while you work. The compact design fits perfectly inside a Systainer or backpack. It even doubles as a hands-free call speaker with a built-in mic. With impressive battery life and Festool build quality, it keeps your workspace alive with energy. This radio isn't just sound, it's motivation in a box. Meet the Festool CT MIDI IAC, a compact dust-extracting beast designed for spotless performance. Its auto-clean feature keeps the filter clear, maintaining suction power all day long. The HEPA filter traps even the finest dust, protecting your lungs and workspace. Compact yet powerful, it connects seamlessly with Festool tools for synchronized operation. The touch control panel and Bluetooth remote make it incredibly convenient. You can wheel it around easily with its rugged design and cord storage system. It's quiet, smart, and efficient. Just what every clean workshop deserves. Festool's CT26, 36, and 48 EIAC dust extractors redefine workshop cleanliness with massive power and intelligent design. Each model offers auto-clean technology and variable suction for total control. Whether sanding, sawing, or routing, they capture every speck of dust effortlessly. Their integrated hose storage, large wheels, and modular compatibility make them a professional favorite. The anti-static hose prevents clogs, while the self-cleaning filter maintains peak airflow. They're whisper-quiet yet incredibly strong, ideal for heavy-duty work. Once you try them, you'll never accept dust again. The Festool ETSC2 series. Cordless sanders deliver flawless finishes with freedom from cords. Lightweight yet powerful, they feature perfectly balanced ergonomics for fatigue-free sanding. The brushless EC-Tech motor maintains consistent speed under load. With interchangeable pads, 125mm or 150mm, you can switch between precision and coverage easily. Vibration is minimal, giving you buttery smooth control. The integrated dust bag or extractor connection keeps your workspace clean. These sanders redefine portability and performance in one sleek package. Smooth, powerful, and cordless. Just how sanding should be. The Festool SYS-AIR packs a full-power air filtration system inside a Systainer. It quietly removes dust, allergens, and fine particles, improving your air quality instantly. Ideal for workshops or renovation spaces, it runs efficiently with low noise and high airflow. The dual filter system captures even the smallest contaminants. Compact and stackable, it integrates seamlessly with your existing Systainers. Its portability means you can purify air wherever you're working. Simple controls make it easy to use and maintain. Clean air has never looked this professional. Light up your workspace like daylight with the Festool SYS-LITE KBS C. This cordless construction light delivers brilliant brightness with adjustable color temperatures. The wide beam spreads evenly without glare or shadows. It's built tough, water-resistant, and designed for the harshest job site conditions. You can hang it, stand it, or mount it anywhere using its clever design. The rechargeable battery lasts for hours, and it works with Festool's 18-volt system. Perfect for late-night builds or dark corners, this light turns every workspace into a clear zone. Festool's Guide. Rail system transforms every cut into precision art. Built with ultra-straight aluminum and anti-slip strips, it guarantees tear-free, accurate results. Pair it with saws or routers, and your lines will be perfect every time. The Splinter Guard ensures clean edges, even on delicate materials. Connect multiple rails with precision joints for extended lengths. It's lightweight, yet built to last through years of professional use. Whether cutting sheet goods or detailed joinery, it gives you total control. For precision lovers, this is the gold standard. The Festool MFT3 is the ultimate portable workstation built for precision and flexibility. Its perforated top allows versatile clamping options from every angle. Combined with the guide rail, it creates a perfect cutting platform for any material. The sturdy aluminum frame keeps it stable while staying lightweight for easy transport. It's ideal for cutting, sanding, routing, and assembly in one place. The adjustable legs ensure comfort and accuracy wherever you set it up. Once you experience it, you'll call it your mobile workshop. Precision meets portability in pure Festool style. The TG-LHS 225 is the telescopic stand that brings unmatched stability to long-reach sanders. Designed to handle the Plan X effortlessly, it keeps your movements smooth and controlled. The adjustable arm and swivel design allow for fatigue-free sanding of ceilings and walls. It sets up quickly, saving precious time on site. Built with Festool durability, it handles constant adjustments with ease. Compact storage makes it perfect for mobile professionals. Combine it with your sander and watch your productivity skyrocket. Comfort, control, and balance, all in one brilliant stand. The OF1010R router delivers legendary Festool precision in a compact form. Its fine adjustment system lets you dial in depth with micrometer accuracy. The smooth plunge action and superior dust extraction make routing clean and effortless. Perfect for edge profiling, grooves, and joinery, it handles every detail with ease. The ergonomic grip and lightweight enhance control, even in tight spaces. With interchangeable bases and accessories, it's built for versatility. Whether you're trimming or crafting, it delivers flawless results every time. A true pro's favorite router. Compact yet unstoppable, the Festool TXS-12 is the drill that feels tailor-made for your hand. Its clever C and T handle design gives you balance and precision in tight spots. The brushless motor delivers constant torque for drilling and fastening with power. Quick-release chucks let you swap bits in seconds, keeping the workflow smooth. The LED light brightens your workspace perfectly. Battery life is impressive, and charging is lightning fast. Whether assembling furniture or tackling construction jobs, this drill defines versatility. Small size, huge performance, Festool nailed it. The SYS-MFT tabletop Systainer is a genius mix of portability and functionality. It opens up into a compact mini workbench ready for cutting, clamping, or assembly tasks. The perforated surface fits Festool's clamps and accessories perfectly. It's sturdy enough for serious work yet easy to carry from site to site. Designed for on-the-go professionals, it's a lifesaver in tight spaces or quick setups. Stack it with other Systainers for complete mobility. Durable, compact, and smartly engineered, it's proof that great work can happen anywhere. Precision trimming meets cordless freedom with the Festool MFKC 700KA. Designed for perfect edge work, it delivers unmatched control and smooth finishes. The modular base system allows multiple routing configurations with incredible stability. Its powerful motor and precise depth adjustment make fine detailing effortless. Compact and well-balanced, It handles beautifully even in one-handed use. The efficient dust extraction keeps your view clean and accurate. Ideal for cabinetry and laminate work, it's made for perfectionists. Portable, precise, and built for the future of rooting. Light, quiet, and impressively powerful, the Festool OFKC 500 redefines what a cordless edge router can do. It features an ergonomic design for one-hand operation with incredible precision. The brushless motor maintains speed under heavy load for flawless trimming. Its interchangeable bases give you flexibility across multiple routing tasks. The depth adjustment is micro-precise for exact edge profiles every time. Connect it to Festool's dust system for a cleaner, safer workspace. Compact yet professional grade, it's built for craftsmen on the move. Power and finesse, in perfect balance. The Festool HKC 55K brings power and safety together in one sharp cutting machine. It features the unique kickback stop system that instantly halts the blade for ultimate protection. The brushless motor ensures long life and consistent performance. Compatible with the guide rail, it delivers straight, tear-free cuts with ease. The compact cordless design gives you total freedom on any site. Depth and bevel adjustments are fast, precise, and intuitive. Rugged, efficient, and brilliantly engineered. It's every carpenter's cutting dream. True power in your hands, anywhere. Meet the future of job site endurance. The Festool ExoActive Exoskeleton EXO18. This powered wearable assists your arms and shoulders, reducing fatigue during overhead or repetitive work. With adjustable support levels, it adapts perfectly to your body and task. It's lightweight, comfortable, and battery-powered for all-day use. The ergonomic design moves naturally with you, not against you. Ideal for painters, drywallers, and installers who need endurance. It boosts strength while reducing strain, keeping you productive longer. It's not just a tool, it's a revolution you can wear. The Festool Domino DF500R and DFC 500 redefine joinery precision with unbeatable accuracy and speed. These machines create flawless mortises that perfectly fit Festool tenons. The adjustable depth and width settings give you total control over joint strength. Lightweight yet robust, they handle furniture, cabinets, and frames with perfection. The design ensures minimal setup and maximum efficiency. Dust extraction keeps your workspace clean and visibility clear. These joiners deliver professional results in record time. When it comes to flawless joints, nothing beats a Festool Domino. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome Festool tools and innovations.